हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम बैक टू द बिग मैक। आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं महिंद्रा एक्सयूवी 3XO के सभी वेरिएंट्स के बारे में और कौन सा वेरिएंट आपके लिए वैल्यू फॉर मनी होगा। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी फर्दर टाइम लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। महिंद्रा एक्सयूवी 3XO तीन इंजन ऑप्शंस के साथ टोटल 9 वेरिएंट्स में लॉन्च हुई है, जिसमें कि बेस मॉडल जो कि MX1 है वो स्टार्ट होता है 7.49 लाख से एंड इट गोज अप टू 15.49 lakhs जो कि AX7L टॉप एंड वेरिएंट है। In this video, we are going to compare all the 9 variants of Mahindra XUV 3XO based on their powertrain, price, safety features, entertainment features, wheel size and profile, and which one would be the value for money variant for you. So starting off with the powertrain, engine types and which engine generate how much power and torque. XUV 3XO के अंदर टोटल तीन इंजन ऑप्शंस हैं। पहला इंजन है 1.2 लीटर TC MPFI इंजन, सेकंड ऑप्शन इज 1.2 लीटर M Stallion TGDI engine, and third option is the which is a diesel engine which is 1.5 liter turbo diesel engine. Talking about the 1.2 liter TC MPFI engine, this is a 1.2 liter 3-cylinder 6-speed engine where TC MPFI is turbocharged multi-point fuel injection. It will generate a power of 110 bhp and a torque of 200 Nm. The claimed mileage for this particular engine is 18.89 km per liter. Now the variants which offer this TCM PFI engines are MX1 which will cost around 7.49 lakhs. It is a base model. MX2 Pro which cost around 8.99 lakhs in manual transmission and 9.99 lakhs in automatic transmission. MX3 variant which will cost around 9.49 lakhs, MX3 Pro which will cost around 9.99 lakhs and AX5 variant which will cost around 10.69 lakhs. Another engine is 1.2 liter M Stallion TGDI engine. This is a 1.2 liter 3-cylinder 6-speed engine where TGDI stands for turbocharged intercooled gasoline direct injection. This engine produces around 129 bhp of power and 230 Newton meter of torque. The claimed mileage for this particular engine is 20.1 km per liter. This engine will only be available in top-end variants and will be available in both the manual as well as the automatic transmission. The variants in which this particular engine will be available are AX5L, which cost around 11.99 lakh for manual transmission and 13.49 lakh for automatic transmission. Another variant which offer TGDI engine is AX7. In this particular variant, this particular engine will be available only in manual transmission, which will cost around 12.49 lakhs. Another variant is AX7L, which cost around 13.99 lakhs for manual transmission and 15.49 lakhs for automatic transmission. The only diesel option which will be available in Mahindra XUV3XO is 1.5 liter turbo diesel engine. This is a 1.5 liter 4-cylinder engine. It will produce around 115 bhp of power and 300 Nm of torque. The claimed mileage for this particular engine would be around 20.6 km per liter. Now the variants which offer diesel engine are MX2 which will cost around 9.99 lakhs, MX2 Pro which will cost around 10.39 lakhs, MX3 which will cost 10.89 lakhs, MX3 Pro which will cost 11.39 lakhs, AX5 which will cost 12.09 lakhs, AX7 which will cost 13.69 lakhs and AX7L which is a top variant and will cost around 14.99 lakhs. If we talk about safety features, XUV3XO के अंदर हमको standard 6 airbags, 3-point seat belt for the rear passenger, ABS and EBD, traction control, hill hold control and hill descent control, rear and front parking sensor with the rear camera. So these are the safety features which XUV3XO is having standard across the line. Along with that, there are some additional safety features जो कि हमको top end variants में देखने को मिल जाएंगे. So these are ADAS level 2, adaptive cruise control, forward collision warning, auto emergency braking, traffic sign recognition and 360-degree camera. Now if we talk about entertainment and conveniences, XUV3XO के अंदर हमको 10.24 इंच का digital touch screen display मिलेगा. Along with that, we are going to get wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay with 6 speakers, steering mounted controls, dual zone automatic climate control AC. स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम MX2 वेरिएंट हमको मिनी सनरूफ XUV3XO के अंदर देखने को मिल जाएगी एंड इफ वी आर गोइंग फॉर पैनोरामिक सनरूफ तो वो हमको AX7 वेरिएंट से देखने को मिलेगी। Now talking about tire profile and tire size, so till MX2 variant हमको steel rim with wheel caps मिलेंगे along with 16-inch wheels, and if you wanted to go for alloy wheels that we can see in AX5 variant. Another thing is like XUV3XO also offers 17 inches alloy wheels which we can see in top end variants like AX7 and AX7L. Now talking about the value for money variant, so AX5 would be the value for money variant if you are looking for a car between 12 to 13 lakhs on road. And in this particular variant, you are going to get mini sunroof and automatic climate control, LED headlamps, 16 inches alloy wheels, so if panoramic sunroof and ADAS is not a thing for you, if you are not looking for these things in your car, then AX5 would be the best variant. But if you wanted all these things like ADAS, panoramic sunroof, and fog lamps, so you can go for AX7 variant, which will cost you around 14 to 15 lakhs on road. But the AXL variant will cost you around 16 to 18 lakhs, and in this particular amount you can also explore other options. I hope this video will help you in deciding your suitable variant of Mahindra XUV3XO. If you like this video, please give us a like and subscribe the channel for more related content.